Hi, I'm Martin Zeltner and I'm with Windtronics, and we're the manufacturer of the Honeywell wind turbine. We are here today at the Toronto Home Show with Sonepar Canada in the BlueWay booth. The Windtronics wind turbine is a new type of windmill technology, and what we've been able to do is eliminate the gearbox and going to a magnet and stator in the outer ring. Many of you would recognize the gearbox as being the typical center point of a turbine, but now we've been able to use the magnet and stator concept and capture the energy in the outer ring, just like a generator would. The application for this product, because of the new type of technology, allows us a larger capture audience than we've traditionally had with turbines. Because of our low cut-in wind speed at 2 miles an hour and being able to run up to 38 miles an hour, we cover a much larger section of the available wind, and a typical user could be anywhere from a residential to a farm to an industrial light commercial application. Well, there are two great places to find information on the turbine. The first place is you can actually go to our website at windtronics.com, or you can contact your local Sonepar branch and they'll have a qualified sales force who can not only spec out a system for you, they'll be able to direct you to a site survey and an install.
Hi, I'm Brandon Gear and I'm with Sonepar BlueWay. We're here today to talk about the on-the-fly solar assessments that we do at our BlueWay booth. Behind me you'll see our solar display, which we bring to home shows to help display our product line. It shows all of our Ontario compliant content as well as most of our turnkey solar solutions that we offer. We also use this to help train our contractors and electricians to prepare for the install. This is our solar assessments, and what we're trying to offer here is a way for you to approach us at the show and within about 5 to 10 minutes give you something that looks like this finished product here that you can walk away with and know exactly what will fit on your building and how much that will generate for you and what that will mean for you in terms of payback and an investment. So this is the final product here, and I'm going to work backwards now and show you how we kind of arrived at that conclusion in a brief kind of way. So where we're starting here is this is our aerial photography program. And this is a little bit different from Google Earth, as it's aerial photos taken from planes. It gives us higher resolution, allows us to zoom into areas that Google Earth can't quite see outside of the GTA and rural areas especially. It gives us a little bit of an advantage when looking at a property. So that's the reason for it. We then get your address, we zoom into your address, take a look at the building, whether it's commercial, whether it's residential, it doesn't matter. We'll have an idea then of any obstructions, what the size of it is, the way it faces, and then we'll talk to you about the pitch and the slope of the roof as well. So those are some of the important factors that go into deciding where you're at and how we're going to arrive and analyze the data further. The next step then is an analysis program. So we want to take the data that we've gotten from your site, from that photo, the measurements we've taken, and we want to input them to get some numbers that are going to mean something to you. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to find out the location that you're in. We're going to gather climate data from that location. We're going to use the variables such as the slope of your roof, the way that the panels would face on your roof, and most importantly, how many panels can we fit on your roof, to get a number of kilowatt hours in a year that you would approximately output. And you'll see by that monthly graph up there that it will vary through the months, and that will depend on your location. So the goal is to get the average kilowatt hours in a year, and we'll plug that in and do some financial analysis to come. So within about 5 to 10 minutes, we've arrived back at what the final product of your solar assessment is. We've gotten some data. You can see the picture from the aerial photography view, the layout with how many panels would fit on it, your monthly production, so you can see how you would expect to make a different check every month, and then what you would make per year. And at this point in time, I want to be clear that it's an estimate, but we want to give an estimate on what the install cost would be, as well as what your potential revenue over a 20-year period, which is the period that the OPA offers contracts for solar installs. So what your profit would be, and not only on a yearly basis, but over a 20-year basis. And you're ultimately going to want to make your decision based on data such as this. So this is our first preliminary step that we offer to you at the home show. It should be done with about 5 to 10 minutes, and from here we want to see what your interest level is, and we can talk about moving further. So we look forward to seeing you at our Sonepar BlueWay booth, and hopefully when you come by we can offer a solar solution for your residence or your commercial business as well.